Hello guys, I'm Rakshit. I'm from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I'm going to present on primary and secondary settling tanks in the wastewater treatment. The beauty of settling tanks in wastewater treatment. Settling tanks might not seem exciting, but they play a vital role in wastewater treatment. We discuss about primary and secondary settling tanks and their applications. This is the cross section of the settling tanks. This is the intake sluice, this is inlet pipe, and this is the flow adjustment board. And this is the direction of flow direction, means the water flows through LHS to RHS. And this is the buffel, and these tubes are called as inclined tubes. In this diagram, you will see the clean water tank, buffel, flow adjustment board, and etc. In this diagram, you will see same the flow adjustment board, buffel, set level tanks, flow adjustment area, and this is the inlet area. The primary settling tanks. What are they? Primary settling tanks are one of the steps in the wastewater treatment. They allow for the separation of floating materials and heavy solids. And the primary settling tanks works as wastewater enters the tank and slow down, allowing heavy solids to settle at the bottom. Later the materials float to the surface, forming a scrum layer that is skimmed and removed. The layer which is formed in the above is can be removed by settling down the particles. The advantages of the primary settling tanks are efficient in removing up to 60% of suspended solids and 30% of BOD from wastewater. Application of primary settling tanks. First application is municipal waste treatment and second application is industrial wastewater treatment. We will go to first one, municipal waste treatment. Primary settling tanks are used in municipal wastewater treatment, which is to reduce the organic load of incoming wastewater before it is treated biologically. And the second treatment, which is industrial wastewater treatment. Primary settling tanks are also widely used in the treatment of industrial wastewater from industries such as food and beverages, paper and chemical productions, and so many other industrial areas. The secondary settling tanks. The secondary settling tanks are designed to remove the biological solids which are generated from the biological treatment of the wastewater. The biological waste which are generated from the treatment of biological wastewater which can be removed from this treatment. How they work means wastewater flows into the tank and the biological solids settle at the bottom. As the microbial flog grows, it becomes denser and heavier, which will be settled at the bottom of the tank, and they will remove the settled particles. In this way, the secondary settling tanks will works. What are the advantages of secondary settling tanks? Secondary settling tanks can be removed biological solids and reduce the organic load of the wastewater before entering the final stage of the treatment. Finally, the applications of secondary settling tanks, municipal waste treatment and industrial waste treatment, and finally desalination. First one, municipal waste treatment. These secondary settling tanks are vital in removing in suspended solids which are generated from biological treatment of wastewater to meet the effluent standards. And the industrial wastewater treatment. Secondary settling tanks are commonly used in effluent treatment from industries using activated flood process for the treatment of their wastewater. Finally, the desalination, which means secondary settling tanks are also used to remove solids in the production of treatment of seawater, desalination and water reuse process. The conclusion of the settling tanks. Settling tanks are essential in wastewater treatment. Benefits of primary and secondary tanks. Multiple applications. Removing of solids is the vital before water enters the final stages of the treatment. Primary tanks remove suspended solids, while secondary tanks remove biological solids. Multiple applications. Both types of tanks are used extensively in much industrial wastewater treatment as well as domestic wastewater treatment. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video.